Hi, PerspectiveWeather.com meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Tuesday, June 18th. A very wet weather pattern continues here in the Mid-Atlantic region. There were some strong thunderstorms across the D.C. metro region late yesterday and last night. Some heavy showers around the Philadelphia metro region, and the pattern repeats itself today with a very moist air mass in place and enough instability to create some heavy showers and strong to perhaps severe thunderstorms later today into tonight. That is not the end of the story. It looks like more showers and thunderstorms are possible on Wednesday afternoon and evening, and then another round late Thursday and Thursday night. And the storms late Thursday night can certainly reach severe limits. We have a setup with a strong frontal system coming our way late in the day on Thursday, and there'll be actually an unusually strong surface low pressure system for this time of the year. That clears out of here on Friday. It looks like we'll end the work week with windy conditions on Friday, probably rain-free conditions for most of Friday and Saturday as well, and perhaps into at least part of Sunday. Here's where we stand this morning with the latest radar echoes. Lots of rain already in the northern half of Pennsylvania, moving across the New York City metro region right now. It looks like certainly can be some heavy rainfall amounts here over the next few hours, again across northern Pennsylvania, northern New Jersey, New York City metro region. As far as Philadelphia and D.C. is concerned, not much going on over the next few hours, but we'll keep looking out here. Western Pennsylvania, the Ohio Valley, that's where there will be some expansion of the radar echoes and intensification over the next few hours, coming to the Philadelphia D.C. corridor later this afternoon into tonight. Well, in terms of rainfall amounts, this is the NOAA forecast for the next 3 days from this morning, Tuesday morning, until Friday morning, and as has been the case for the past several months, the eastern two-thirds of the nation inundated by rainfall, some heavy rain across the Tennessee Valley, the Ohio Valley, all the way into the Mid-Atlantic and even New England. Certainly some areas in the Philadelphia, D.C., even New York City metro region can get a few inches of rain out of any of these showers or thunderstorms over the next couple of days. And again, this threat goes right through Thursday night. Some heavy showers and possible strong to severe thunderstorms this afternoon and evening. Probably more conventional showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday afternoon and evening, but then the severe weather threat returns again late Thursday and Thursday night. Again, we may be paving the way for a decent Friday, although it'll be windy and a nice start to the weekend. How the weekend ends up is still a little bit up in the air, but more rainfall is possible by Sunday night and Monday. But again, heavy rainfall in this part of the country over the next 3 days. Let's take a look at last night's 500 millibar forecast maps from the 6Z GFS model run. We'll look at some of the upper level waves of energy that are contributing factors to this very unsettled weather pattern here in the Mid-Atlantic region. There's a stationary front just draped across the Mid-Atlantic region that's acting as kind of a focus or a triggering mechanism for these showers and thunderstorms. Lots of upper level energy and tropical moisture in place. First of all, as we begin the day on Tuesday, a wave of energy right here. Notice that little dip in the height pattern here as of early this morning. Another wave out here in the middle part of the country, and then a third wave out across Southern California. This wave moves in later on today into tonight. Let's push forward here, and here we go. By this evening, that upper level piece of energy right on top of the Mid-Atlantic region again. That combined with a tropical air mass in place and a stationary frontal system will help to produce heavy showers and possible strong to severe thunderstorms later today and tonight from D.C. to Philadelphia and even into the New York City metro region. They're certainly in store for some heavy rainfall over the next few hours. Then let's push forward here into the day on Wednesday. More of a conventional type of pattern here. Not much sitting on top of the region late tomorrow night. I think the severe weather threat lessens a little bit Wednesday afternoon, but there will be some more showers and thunderstorms, and some of that rain can be heavy, but the severe weather threat may be diminished a bit later on Wednesday. But then let's go into the day on Thursday. And here we start off the day with a very vigorous wave of energy Thursday morning over the Ohio Valley. And again, for this time of the year, there will be an unusually strong surface low pressure system probably over northwestern Pennsylvania at some point late Thursday. That could be a contributing factor. It's quite a setup, I think, in my opinion, for severe weather along the I-95 corridor region, D.C., Philadelphia, New York City, late Thursday night. Again, a strong frontal system coming through, vigorous wave of energy right here as of Thursday evening over the Mid-Atlantic region, and strong surface low pressure system as well. Obviously, we have to focus in on the threat for flooding this afternoon and evening with these heavy showers and thunderstorms, but also kind of look ahead to the potential for severe weather late Thursday and Thursday night. Well, let's take a look at the surface maps along with the radar echoes from the GFS 6Z model run. Here we're starting off the day on Tuesday with lots of moisture already in place across the northern half of Pennsylvania, moving into northern New Jersey, New York City, Philly, D.C. Not much going on over the next few hours, but let's push forward here, and there will be some heavy rainfall over D.C., Delmarva Peninsula, perhaps as far north as Philadelphia, southeastern Pennsylvania, central New Jersey later on today and tonight. Let's keep moving forward. By the way, any one of those showers and thunderstorms could dump a few inches of rainfall in a short period of time. Obviously, grounds are very well saturated throughout the Mid-Atlantic region, so localized flooding can become an issue in a hurry later today and tonight. And now let's move forward into Wednesday afternoon. Again, kind of more of a conventional shower and thunderstorm pattern here. Probably the threat for severe thunderstorms reduces somewhat Wednesday afternoon, but we still could have some heavy rainfall, and we'll have to watch for this late Wednesday night. But the bigger threat, in my opinion, for severe weather comes on Thursday afternoon and evening. Here we go. Forecast map for Thursday afternoon. An unusually strong low pressure system at the surface for the middle part of June. That will be a contributing factor to instability in the atmosphere. We saw a moment ago, supported by strong wave of energy in the upper part of the atmosphere. You have a strong surface front. A lot of things coming together for a potential severe weather outbreak late Thursday night in the I-95 corridor region, and certainly some of that rain can be heavy. Here's that storm system by Thursday evening right over New York City, and I'm not sure if it'll end up there. GFS has it coming more over eastern and central Pennsylvania than some of the other models. It may end up being a little bit to the north and west of here. Doesn't matter. It'll still be likely a producer of severe thunderstorms in the I-95 corridor region. Maybe a couple of lingering showers early Friday morning, but then notice these isobars again getting rather tight. Friday looks like it'll become a windy day, drier conditions moving in. It looks like the nice weather will hold on with less wind into Saturday, but then later in the weekend we'll have to watch again over the next couple of days to see if the weather goes downhill. It looks like certainly the threat of rain will return late in the weekend, maybe Sunday night and Monday, perhaps even earlier than that, but right now it looks like much of Friday and Saturday look pretty decent in the Mid-Atlantic region, but a lot to go through before we get to the upcoming weekend. First of all, the threat continues today in the Mid-Atlantic region for heavy showers and possible strong to severe PM thunderstorms. Watch out for localized flooding in D.C., Philadelphia, New York City this afternoon and evening. More showers and thunderstorms on Wednesday afternoon and evening, and then the threat for severe thunderstorms late Thursday and Thursday night. That's it for now. For PerspectiveWeather.com, I'm meteorologist Paul Dorian.